Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to catch the Minotaur Beetle in Heartopia. So to catch this Minotaur Beetle, first you just need to reach insect catching hobby level 7, and then after that to catch this beetle, you just need to go to Onsen Mountain, more precisely at ruins. And in here, this beetle will spawn from midnight until 6 p.m. And then after that, this beetle will spawn at the all weather, sunny, rainy, or rainbow. So just go to Onsen Mountain at the ruins area, this one, this area, and then next just equip your insect net, and then you can also use the insect attractor or sense booster to make your activity more easily. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.